Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. This is a Toyota GR86 and this is by Tomica Takara Tomy, and this is a 1 by 60 scale. So if you remember, we did Toyota GR86 unboxing by measure it. I think we have quite a few number here. So these two are from their tune-up series. Both are actually GR86, and there is one more I have. I don't know if I'm having it here or I'm going to unbox those. I do have a racing edition and premium edition as well. I don't know where I put it, but okay, let's unbox this one now and see how this one looks. Okay, here is the box. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, I initially thought this one is an orange color, but this one is actually in red color. Okay, here it is. So my first impressions are this looks really nice, and the paint job looks really beautiful, and there is no scratch anywhere. So the headlights and taillights both are painted. The logos looks really nice, detailed, and there is no smear or anything like that. So the chassis is made of plastic and the rims are made of plastic. So since it's a mainline, it has the same set of tires. Let's see if this has suspension. Yes, this one has suspension. Let's do a roll test. Okay, the wheels wobble a lot, and again, this is not meant for track, and I'm good with it. You can see the small detailing here. Okay, that is really nice. The grill is actually, it's a plastic, it's not painted or anything. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.